Hello everyone and welcome to another technological adventure. In today's video, we will visit the BMW plant in Berlin and discover how the amazing R1200 GS motorcycle is made. The BMW plant in Berlin, established in 1969, is one of the most important production sites for BMW Motorrad, the motorcycle division of BMW. Located in the capital of Germany, this facility plays a crucial role in BMW's global operations, focusing on the production of motorcycles and their components. The Berlin plant is renowned for its state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques and its commitment to quality, precision, and innovation. It employs a skilled workforce that combines traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology to produce some of the most iconic motorcycles in the world. Over the years, the plant has grown to become a symbol of German engineering excellence, contributing significantly to BMW's reputation as a leader in the premium motorcycle segment. Detailed presentation of the BMW R1200 GS motorcycle at the Berlin plant. The BMW R1200 GS, often simply referred to as the GS, is one of the most celebrated motorcycles in the world, and its production at the BMW plant in Berlin is a testament to the meticulous engineering and innovative spirit that defines BMW Motorrad. The R1200 GS is the flagship model of BMW's GS series, which is known for its versatility, durability, and capability both on-road and off-road. The production process of the BMW R1200 GS at the BMW plant in Berlin is a meticulously orchestrated sequence of precision engineering and advanced technology, ensuring that each motorcycle embodies the quality and performance for which BMW Motorrad is renowned. The journey begins with the assembly of the engine, where key components such as the crankcase, crankshaft, camshafts, and pistons are prepared with extreme precision using CNC machines. These parts are machined to exact specifications, with the crankcase meticulously cleaned and inspected to ensure it is free of any debris or contaminants that could compromise the engine's performance. The crankshaft, crucial for converting the linear motion of the pistons into rotational motion, is then carefully installed into the crankcase. This step is vital as the alignment and fitment of the crankshaft directly impact the engine's balance and smoothness, with main bearings and caps torqued to precise specifications to ensure durability and reliability. Following this, the pistons, connected to the crankshaft via connecting rods, are inserted into the cylinders. These pistons are fitted with rings that create a tight seal within the cylinder, essential for maintaining compression and preventing oil from entering the combustion chamber. The cylinders, part of the cylinder heads, are mounted onto the crankcase after the pistons are in place, containing the valves and camshafts responsible for controlling the intake and exhaust of gases during the engine's operation. The camshafts are installed next, with great care taken to ensure they are timed correctly, as this timing ensures that the valves open and close at the right moments during the engine cycle. The timing is set using a combination of timing chains or belts and sprockets, aligned with marks on the crankshaft and camshaft gears. Additional components, such as the oil pump, water pump, alternator, and ignition system, are then installed. Before the engine is ready for testing, it undergoes a final inspection to ensure all parts are properly assembled and torqued to specification. Once the major components are in place, the engine is sealed with covers and gaskets to prevent oil leaks. Simultaneously, the frame and chassis of the BMW R1200 GS are constructed. This process starts with the fabrication of the frame, which is made from high-tensile steel tubes cut and bent into shape. These tubes form the motorcycle's backbone, providing the strength and rigidity needed for both on-road and off-road performance. Robotic welding technology is employed to join these tubes with precision, ensuring consistent welds crucial for the frame's structural integrity. The frame is designed to accommodate BMW's unique suspension systems, including the telelever front suspension and paralever rear suspension. Following the completion of the frame, the body panels are fabricated from lightweight materials such as aluminum and high-strength plastics. These panels are shaped using stamping and injection molding processes, ensuring a perfect fit onto the frame. The panels are then sent to the paint shop, where they undergo a multi-stage painting process. This begins with thorough cleaning and priming of the surfaces, followed by the application of several layers of paint. BMW's proprietary paint formulations provide a durable finish that resists fading, chipping, and corrosion. After painting, the panels are coated with a clear lacquer that enhances their gloss and provides additional protection against UV rays and environmental damage. Once painted, the body panels are carefully mounted onto the motorcycle frame, with components like the fuel tank, side panels, front fender, and windscreen attached using precision fasteners torqued to exact specifications. In the final assembly area, the motorcycle's electronic systems are installed. This includes the engine control unit, ECU, anti-lock braking system, ABS, traction control, and the dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment system. The wiring harness, which connects all the electronic components, is routed through the frame with great care to avoid interference with moving parts. Each connection is checked to ensure it is secure and that all sensors and actuators are functioning correctly. The rider's interface is then assembled, including the handlebars, instrument cluster, and switchgear. The instrument cluster, featuring a large TFT display, provides the rider with critical information such as speed, RPM, fuel level, and riding mode settings. The controls are ergonomically designed and tested for ease of use and responsiveness. The wheels, made of lightweight aluminum alloy, are fitted with high-performance tires and mounted onto the motorcycle. The braking system, which includes disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, is then installed, connected to the ABS system, and tested to ensure it can effectively prevent wheel lockup during emergency braking. The exhaust system, featuring BMW's sport exhaust with electronically controlled flaps, is installed last, enhancing the motorcycle's performance and producing a distinctive exhaust note that is a signature of the BMW GS series. Finally, the seat, designed for comfort during long rides, is mounted, and the motorcycle undergoes a final inspection to ensure everything is in place. The telelever system separates the suspension and steering functions, reducing brake dive and providing a smoother ride, while the paralever system eliminates the jacking effect commonly associated with shaft-driven motorcycles. These systems are assembled with high precision, with components such as shock absorbers, springs, and linkages carefully installed and tested for proper operation. After assembly, the frame undergoes rigorous inspection using laser measurement systems to ensure the dimensions are within tight tolerances, essential for handling and stability. The frame is also subjected to stress testing to simulate the forces it will encounter during operation, ensuring it can withstand the demands of both road and off-road riding. Before leaving the plant, the engine undergoes dynamic testing on a test bench, where it is run through various RPM ranges and load conditions, allowing engineers to monitor the engine's performance and check for any anomalies in power delivery, fuel efficiency, or emissions. The engine is also subjected to endurance testing to simulate long-term use and ensure its durability. The completed motorcycle is then placed on a rolling road, where the suspension and chassis are tested under simulated riding conditions, checking the alignment of the wheels, the operation of the suspension systems, and the effectiveness of the brakes. Every BMW R1200 GS is taken on a short road test around the plant's test track, where a skilled rider evaluates the motorcycle's handling, acceleration, braking, and overall ride quality. Any issues detected during this test are addressed immediately before the motorcycle is cleared for shipment. After the road test, the motorcycle undergoes a final inspection, where every aspect of the bike is scrutinized, from the paint finish to the fitment of components and the operation of the electronics. Only after passing this thorough inspection is the R1200 GS prepared for delivery to dealerships around the world. This detailed production process at the BMW plant in Berlin ensures that every BMW R1200 GS is built to the highest standards, embodying the quality and performance that BMW Motorrad is known for. The combination of precision engineering, advanced technology, and rigorous quality control results in a motorcycle that is not only a joy to ride, but also built to last. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest automotive innovations, and let us know your thoughts on our video in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with the future of driving. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.